Deliming. The dishwasher should be delimed on a regular basis as required. How often depends on the mineral content of the water. Deliming should be done when you can see clear signs of lime deposits on the inside walls, arms, and tank heater. And now some serious information. Warning: chemical mixing. Deliming solution must not come in contact with bleach or rinse solution containing bleach. Mixing may cause hazardous gas to form. This entire procedure must be followed step by step for safe and satisfactory results. The machine is equipped with an automatic delime cycle reminder. It is recommended that deliming be done when the delime button LED is blinking. Deliming may also be initiated at any other time if necessary. The machine must be on, and the power, drain button, and cycle button LEDs will be lit. Press and hold the delime button for a minimum of 3 seconds. SDL will be displayed to indicate that the cycle has started. The machine will enter a drain and rinse phase. During this phase, the delime button LED will be lit continuously. Note that the deliming cycle is extensive and can take 30 minutes or more to complete. The upper display will indicate when it is time to add the deliming agent, and the delime button LED will flash. Add the correct amount of deliming agent to the tank according to the manufacturer's instructions. Caution: the use of unsuitable chemicals can cause injury. Use only commercial deliming agents. Observe the manufacturer's application and safety instructions. Close the door. The deliming cycle will continue, and the delime button LED will be lit continuously. The upper display will show DL. When the deliming phase is complete, the machine will enter a drain and rinse phase. During this phase, the delime button LED will be lit continuously. After the deliming process is complete, the machine will drain and shut down.